Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can revoke the permission of any shared chat. So here if you have shared any particular Gemini chat and now you wish to revoke the access, or if you want to delete that particular link, then I will show you how to do this without actually deleting the particular chat. So we will just be deleting the link so that other person or any external entity cannot access that particular Gemini chat. So to do this, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First, navigate to the settings and help option at the bottom left corner. Once you will do this, you will see the following options. Now from here, choose this option that says your public links. Once you will click over to here, you will see all of the public links that you have. If you wish to delete all of your public links, simply click onto this delete all links, or if you wish to delete any particular link, you can simply click onto this delete public link here. Since I want to delete all links, I'm going to click onto this delete all links, and it gives me a warning. If you delete all of your public links, people will no longer be able to see the content in the links. Deleting a link from Gemini doesn't delete the chat in your Gemini app activity or delete anything that you posted to another site. To proceed, click onto this delete all button, and now all of your public links will be successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.